It has been said that I'm just like my father. This might explain why most days I dress up in my mother's clothing. Use her signature shade of scarlet to paint my lips a familiar smile. I do not use her signature trick of turning her heart inside out the way she showed me, to wear her softness as bulletproof vest. Armor is for women who have something to lose. In this way, I am not like my mother. The inside of my heart is covered in stucco scales. My father has a crocodile smile. A flawless flash of shiny distraction to keep you from finding the bodies he's left behind. But if you look close enough, the evidence lies in the residue between his teeth. I have been told my tongue should come with a warning of blunt force trauma. It's true. There are nights I wear nothing but a blood-stained smirk to veil my secrets. There are nights my smile is just the simple act of baring my teeth. I am just like my father, and if it weren't for my mother, I would not know how to take responsibility for the bite I bear when I wear the crocodile smile. Because there are nights I cannot help myself. When the full moon howls, I howl back. I am the daughter of nature versus nurture. Each verse from my father is a love letter to my mother. My mother the sparrow, my mother the nest, my mother the branches, and my mother the leaves. My mother the tree who cut and whittled herself to build a boat offering safe passage. My eyes watch our slow sailing reflection in the water. In its stillness, it's almost impossible to tell if the tiny yellow lights scattered across its surface are mirrored stars or crocodile eyes. But my basic instincts are well acquainted with the sensation of nature's gaze fixated on me. When my father tells me I am beautiful, I always hope it's because I remind him of my mother.